How to delete Facebook conversation from both sides. So if you want to delete the conversation with someone from both sides, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I have opened up the Messenger where you'll be able to see the conversation with my friends. First thing is you need to open up to the inbox of someone whom you want to delete the conversation with. And after that you'll be able to see your message or conversation with this friend. So if you want to delete, then you just tap to press and hold over the message which you want to delete, and here will be the option like reply, copy, forward and more. Simply tap over the more option, and here is remove option. Tap over there and two options are displayed: unsend and remove for you. There may be also the option for remove for everyone. You can go for remove for everyone instead of unsend also. Just go for unsend, and after doing that you can see the message has been unsent, and if the person hasn't viewed the message till now, then that person won't be able to know what you have sent to them. But if they have already viewed and you have unsent, then you won't be able to erase it from their memories, so it's better not to unsend. So this is how you delete Facebook conversation from both sides. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.